All right, if you need help with the letter D, make sure to go back and watch my video to give you tips on how to do this. You got it. We're going to work on phrases, but the D sound will be the first sound in one of these words. Are you ready? Let's get started. I'll say it, you repeat after me. Small dog. Small dog. Family dinner. Family dinner. Yellow duck. Yellow duck. Silver dime. Silver dime. Dozen donuts. Dozen donuts. White dove. White dove. Scuba dive. Scuba dive. Dump truck. Dump truck. Blue dart. Blue dart. Dairy group. Dairy group. Open door. Open door. Dollar bill. Dollar bill. Okay, now the D sound will be in the middle of the words. I'll say the phrase and then you repeat after me. We got this. Buddy elf. Buddy elf. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish. Duck waddle. Duck waddle. Brown saddle. Brown saddle. Cotton swaddle. Cotton swaddle. Brown sandal. Brown sandal. Wood fiddle. Wood fiddle. Big puddle. Big puddle. Paddle faster. Paddle faster. Oldest child. Oldest child. Okay, I'll say the phrase, then you repeat after me. This time the D sound will be the last sound in one of these words. We can do it. Caesar salad. Caesar salad. Read books. Read books. Wet mud. Wet mud. Comfy bed. Comfy bed. Old barn. Old barn. Black seed. Black seed. Long cord. long cord. High speed. High speed. Green toad. Green toad. Windy road. Windy road. You guys did an awesome job. These are tough. Keep up the good work and don't forget to practice. Hope you have a great day. Bye.